Hi guys, this is the last teaching video of this section. I'll post one more video after this as a memo for the homework that I give you. Okay, so I decided that I would start working with you on the revision exercise in your textbook because I think it's a really long exercise, and so it'll be nice for you to start it off with me and then you can carry on by yourself. Okay, so you can start by just ruling off and writing the dates. Your heading is geometry of straight lines, and you can write down this exercise here. So revision exercise on page 91. Okay, so you don't need to copy down the diagram. You can just do the working out. You can always refer back to your textbook if needed. But if you'd like to copy down the diagram, then that's fine. Okay, so here's my first question. They asked me to calculate x. So from what I can see, it's a little bit confusing because you've got a triangle here, you've got parallel lines running up. The way that I worked it out is I worked with co-interior angles. Okay, what you could have also done is there's a Z shape here. Okay, so because there's a Z there, you could have said that that angle is 65 and then worked with angles in a triangle. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to work with my U shape. So 40 plus 5x plus 65 adds up to 180 because the angles are co-interior. And I know that co-interior angles are supplementary, which means they add up to 180. Don't forget your parallel lines. Then I'm just going to subtract the like terms from 180. So 180 minus 65 minus 40, that gives me 75 degrees. Divide through by your 5 to get your x alone, and you're going to get x is equal to 15 degrees. Okay, let's go on to B. Alright, B looks like this. Again, you were trying to work out what x is. They don't give you that. That's your unknown. That's equal to 35. And I know a box means it's 90 degrees. So if I'm working with angles on a straight line, I know that if I add all of those, which is what I've done here, they equal 180 degrees because of the reason angles on a straight line. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to say x is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 35. And you're going to find x is equal to 55 degrees. I think I did up to D in this video. Okay, if you want to look at the diagram and stop the video and then try and do it yourself and then carry on, then that's fine. So you don't have to do it exactly with me. You can just do it by yourself, and then you can use this video as a memo if you want. Alright, C, here's what it looks like. There's my X shape. So my X shape, I know I'm working with vertically opposite angles, and I know that they're equal. So whatever's written here will be equal to whatever's written there. Okay, so I'm going to show that. 3x minus 15 is equal to 45 degrees. There's your reason. So I need to solve for x, so I'm going to take the 15 over and add it. So I'm going to have 3x is equal to 60. Divide through by the 3, and you're going to find that x is equal to 20. Alright, then the last one of this video is this one over here. It says determine the unknown values giving reasons for your answers. Okay, unfortunately this whole thing has popped up, but I started by working out what x was equal to, and I used that F shape there. So x is equal to 38 degrees. Corresponding angles are equal. There's my parallel lines that I used, DE and BC. This one here, to work out y, what I did was I used that U shape there. Okay, so y plus 94, remember the U shape they add up to 180. So y plus 94 is equal to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles are supplementary because those two lines, DE and BC, are parallel. So I solved for y. And then the last one, which I worked out, was Z. Okay, so Z is there in that angle there. And if you can see this green triangle, that's the triangle that I used to work out Z. So I said, well, in that triangle, I know that the angles add up to 180. So Z plus whatever I got for Y plus 38, that adds up to 180. Reason, angles in a triangle. Z, I don't know, but I do know Y, so I calculated Y to be 86, so I substitute that in, and then I can solve for z, which is 56 degrees. Okay, if you need to copy this down because you're not done, then just pause the video and then you can carry on. Okay, then the last thing, which is the last part of the section that I'd like you to do, is revision exercise on page 97, number 1 E to H and 2 A and B. Okay, this is what it looks like. So if you need to take a screenshot, then you can. Okay, so you basically, for E to G, you're just trying to work out the unknowns. And then for 2A and B, you're trying to express the angle in terms of x. Okay, so that means that x is going to be in your answer. Okay, good luck.